So, what does it all mean? It cracks me up every time I hear it. Oh, and if you're wondering why I'm wearing sunglasses, is my seeing glasses broke. And so I'm wearing these shades so you don't see me squinting at the camera, at the screen here. So, yeah, as long as I'm wearing shades like this, my glasses aren't sorted. And as soon as they are sorted, I'll be back to seeing you guys with 2020 vision. All right, thank you so much. How do you doing? Today's meme, we find a man who comes up the mountain to seek sage's advice, and he asks him, "What's the meaning of life?" The sage replies, "Have you tried Googling it?" Well, this is deep, man. This is profound in some way because our reliance today on the computer and more along the lines of our fascination and addiction to social media, everything from Facebook to Instagram and Twitter and things like that. These things aren't necessarily bad, you know. Great tool this modern world these computers are. Specifically, the fact that you can get anything you want with the computer, almost any information you can find by Googling it. That's the one thing. That's one of the main things. I find amazing is that you have a question in your head, something will pop up. And to be the truth, you can search through all the bullshit to find the truth, which is just like life. Same thing. You have to enact the same principles on the computer. It's easy to get this knowledge, but it seems to be more difficult to retain it. I personally love the fact that I could go on, YouTube and, type in Srila Gurudev, I could type in Srila Prabhupada, I could type in Neem Karoli Baba, I could type in Ram Dass, I could type in Buddha, I could type in, anything, but that's the thing, anything. I could type in ancient aliens, I could type in etc. etc. Computer's great, man. You could use it as a great tool for learning, or you can use it as a tool to indulge your animalistic urges and instincts. Your eat, sleep, mate, defend instincts. It's there to use or to abuse, just like life. It's here to use or to abuse. So I would recommend using the computer moderately, pick a time frame and Google all your questions away. But there's nothing like human interaction, and wanting to seek sage advice. Now, in the meme, it shows a man who climbed up the mountain, right? He climbed up a mountain to find the advice of the sage. And the sage tells him that he just tried Googling it. But he climbed up this mountain, on his hands and knees, it looks like, and he's climbing. He has a weight on his backpacks on him. It took a long time for him to get up to this mountain to find this sadhu. And sometimes that journey is it's not about the destination, it's the journey. It's about traveling up the mountain, and the adventure you have along the way, getting to know yourself during that journey. It's not just the answer given to you by the sage that you happen to meet. I once heard this joke. Actually, it wasn't even a joke. It was a cartoon. It was a joke. But this man says, "What's the secret of life?" And he says, it goes, "The secret of life is to eat sauerkraut 3 times a day." And his buddy was like, "Who told you that?" He said, "A cabbage farmer." Because why? Because everybody's got their own truth. So the only thing is there is a universal truth, and those are the people that you want to meet. You want to meet the people that know and understand the universal truth. Climb that mountain, you meet that person, and when he speaks universal truth, when he speaks self-truth, when he speaks the knowledge that was been passed down since time immemorial, he doesn't add his own opinion to it. That's the guru. He's speaking what his guru told him, what his guru told him, prompt raw all the way down. That's the man you want to follow. You want to render service to, that you want to inquire about, life. So what's the meaning of life? What would you find if you Googled it? I'm sure there's all kinds of crazy answers, right? Yeah, but the meaning of life is self-knowledge, self-discovery, understanding our true nature and searching after that absolute truth. Can't go wrong. You may fall down, but you won't go wrong. Thank you. Anyway, that was this one. If I could think of anything else to say on the meaning of life, or having to climb a mountain, or meeting a holy man, I'll talk about it in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you so much for your time, man. Howdy boom. And if you wonder why I'm wearing glasses, and my son broke my glasses, my seeing glasses. So I'm wearing sunglasses to keep you from seeing me squint to see everything. If you go through my blogs and stuff like that, you'll notice on a lot of them, I wear in the first bunch I have my glasses on, and the bridge is fine. Then I start wearing shades for maybe 2 to 4 episodes. Then my glasses make a return, but they're mended in the center. And now they broke again. And now I'm back to the shades.